Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today, we'll dive into understanding defaultdict in Python. Defaultdict is a subclass of the built-in dict class, which provides a default value for the key that does not exist. Let's explore this concept further. Let's begin with a basic example, demonstrating the usage of defaultdict. We import defaultdict from collections module. Then we create a defaultdict D with a default value of 0. When we access a non-existent key A, defaultdict returns the default value, which is 0. Now let's see how we can use defaultdict to create a frequency counter for elements in a list. We create a list fruits. Then we initialize a defaultdict fruit counter with a default value of 0. We iterate through the list and increment the count for each fruit. Finally, we print the fruit counter, which shows the frequency of each fruit. Let's explore how we can use nested defaultdict for nested data structures. We create a nested defaultdict nested dict, where the default value for each inner dictionary is set to 0. Then we add values to the nested dictionary. Finally, we access and print a value from the nested dictionary. That ends our discussion on defaultdict in Python. We've learned how defaultdict provides a default value for non-existent keys, which can be useful in various scenarios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. See you in the next video.